Low resistivity SnO2 dense ceramics via microwave sintering for sustainable applications. By Perazzoli, L. Gasparotto, Gisane, Giacomessi, N. Ruiz, M. Zhete, M. A. Foschini, C. R. Eguia E. C. and Varela, J. A. To obtain the primary aluminum, the industries use the reduction process, which is constituted by the extraction of metal, aluminum, from its oxide, alumina. The Hall-Herold process is used for alumina reduction by the use of graphite anodes, even though it involves a high emission of carbon dioxide, CO2, and several other organic compounds. Proposals have been made aiming at substituting graphite for a single-phase SnO2 based ceramic with low resistivity and chemical resistance to cryolite, which is characterized as an inconsumable anode, reducing pollutant emissions. To this end, a wide range of studies was carried out on SnO2 based ceramics modified with ZnO as a densification aid doped with the promoters of electrical conductivity such as Nb2O5, Al2O3, and Sb2O3 through a mixture of oxides and hybrid sintering in a microwave oven. The pressed pellets were sintered in a microwave oven up to 1050 degrees Celsius under a constant heating rate of 10 degrees Celsius per minute. The morphology of the ceramic compacts was analyzed by field emission scanning electron microscopy, FESEM, JEOL model JSM7500F, coupled with energy dispersive X-ray spectroscopy, Thermo-Scientific, Noren System 7. After sintering, the density was determined by the Archimedes method. The phases were then characterized by X-ray diffraction. The microstructure and chemical composition resulting from the sintered SnO2-based ceramics were also investigated by field emission scanning electron microscopy, FESEM, coupled with energy dispersive X-ray spectroscopy, EDS. Electrical properties were determined by the measurements of the electric field current density. A single-phase ceramic was obtained with a relative density of above 90% and electrical resistivity of 6.1 ohms centimeter at room temperature. The ceramics obtained in this study could be a potential candidate as an inconsumable anode to replace the current fused coke used in the reduction of alumina. In addition to its material properties, this approach reduces carbon emissions due to the process reduction of time and temperature, aligning with sustainable development goals. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.